Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is between the devil and the deep blue sea. Between the devil and the deep blue sea, which means a difficult situation where there are two equally undesirable options. इसको हम उर्दू में दो मुसीबतों में फंसा हुआ कह सकते हैं. It is used in the situation you could see into the picture. A boy is caught between two equally undesirable options. How we are going to use it in sentences like, you are caught between the devil and the deep blue sea when your two best friends are fighting. So we have used here caught between the devil and the deep blue sea. Here is another sentence or situation. He is caught between the devil and the deep blue sea when his wife and mother fight. So we have used here this idiomatic expression in this situation.